Have you always wanted to effortlessly mix and match prints, but all the different patterns and colors overwhelm you? These simple tips are all you need to toss out the solids and replace them with colorful prints. If you're starting to dipping your toe into the print pool, start slow. Begin by pairing prints with solids. Match the print with a color in your solid like the black in the print of the jacket matches the black dress. Use similar prints in different sizes and spacing. The print on this jumpsuit is spaced much further apart and covers less of the outfit than the gold print all over the jacket, making this a fail-proof way to combine prints. If you're taking the plunge into a print overload, make sure a single color is matched in both prints. The maroon and gold details of this jacket match the maroon and gold top. Pair it with another solid like these black dhoti pants to pull your whole look together. Colors can make or break your outfit when mixing prints. Monochrome colors are an easy option no matter the style of the print. These two pieces have completely different prints, but since they are the same colors, the outfit works. Above all, don't be afraid to take risks and be adventurous. Sometimes the best print combinations are a happy accident. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.